A few weeks ago, I made a detailed video outlining and displaying me using these essential microfiber mops that I discovered at my local Dollar Tree. And as you know, in Dollar Tree, when you find something, you need to hop on there and buy everything you want to buy that moment, because there's no guarantee you won't find it again. It's kind of funny that this is not the case with these. Like, people are really passing these up. I don't understand why, because these are so expensive with different names and other brands, but they do not want to utilize the Dollar Tree line one. So I'm going to give you my honest opinion about me using these consistently and things of that nature. So once again, I'm going to have the video linked so you can click it here now or look in my description. And they have different types of mop heads. So we have the light duty, the heavy duty, and they also have the duster. So you have to buy one of these, and then you can attach your own pole. They have a pole as well you can buy, but you can use any pole, it doesn't really matter. And you can also use, if you already have a Swiffer or another type of microfiber head that has the Velcro type of backing, it can definitely be used on that as well. So I have used these three consistently. I've only used these because I didn't want to get any of them mixed up in case they were junk. I could take my receipt and go back and, swap out something for something else. But the only thing I can say is, of course, like, the white is not as white as it was before compared to the brand new one. But of course, I'm using it. But it has not unraveled. The duster one is still super soft and fluffy. It is not coming apart. None of these are coming out after I have washed these. The stitching is staying in place. Everything is still working as if I just purchased it. Or a bonus of these is that you can use these outside of just for your floors. So I know that these are, mops, but the actual uses for these is, like, it's a lot, because I commented on someone who was like, hey, I use the actual duster to dust my house. And I was like, me too. Like, I literally use this to dust areas all around my house. And of course, it's very inconvenient because there's nothing in the back. So what I do is I take the actual mop head part, I attach it to the back of the duster, and I just hold on to this part right here as I dust my house. So if I need to get into the corners, like, you see those weirdly, spider webs flying around, which freaks me out because it's like, how does spider get into my house? And I just attach a pole to it, and I go into the corners of my home, on my walls, high windows, like any area that needs to be dusted, even my ceiling fan. Like, of course, I can't really get to the top side that faces the actual ceiling, but the bottom side that I can reach, this actually cleans all of my ceiling fans. So this one particularly has been the most versatile amongst the other ones. I don't really see a use for the other ones other than the floor, but the duster one is perfect, because the Dollar Tree dusters that they do have, I have not found one that has been washable, and this one is indeed washable, and it allows me to use it for high and low places with just adding a stick here. So when I wash my mop heads, I do not do anything special. I use my regular detergent. I wash these with all of my other towels and bath mats and things like that. I do not do anything other than that. Like, it's really that simple. And I do put these in my my dryer. I didn't even read, which doesn't even have anything on here about how to wash them. So I just, took a chance, and it didn't fail me. Everything is working perfectly fine. I highly recommend, if you do see these, to get these. These have been great. And I have a couple of each of these, so that as time goes on, in case they do start to not perform as good, I can always get me another one to replace it with ease and not have to worry about anything being, missing, because you know how Dollar Tree is, sometimes their stuff just disappears off the face of the earth and you're like, what happened? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, check out my original video if you haven't already seen it, and get these if you see them. I'm telling you, you will not regret it. If you already purchased something, go return it, go to your Dollar Tree and buy these now.